Motorcaders, this is TJ. Today I'm coming with you with the wireless inflatable pump, a must-have in your saddlebag to keep you going on the road in case of emergency. So let's open this up. Heard a lot of good things about it. Let's see what we've got. Nice packaging. It's plastic. All right. So pretty big, probably about 6 or 7 inches in height, about 2 inches in depth. Pretty shiny on the front, and then a velvet sack, charging cable, attachments, and then we've got our hose. So let's talk about what we've got here. Peel off the paper from the top. So pretty simple in design. On the front, you just got 4 directional buttons, plus minus at the bottom and top, M and U on the left and the right. On the top, we've got a USB port where you can actually use this to charge your phone or any other device. We've got the USB-C that you use to actually charge this device. There's a light here. You can use it as a flashlight. And then at the top here, there's a hole that screws. That's where that's where we screw in our pump. On the back side here, we've got holes here, almost like a speaker, but this is where the air is coming into the device, and of course it's going to come out at the top where this hose is at. Let's talk about the controls on here. Let's go ahead and screw this in. Okay, to turn it on, get up close so you can see. We're going to hold this power button, and you should see the light starting to flash up here to showing that it's on. All right. Okay, so we've got our readout here. At the bottom, right now it shows 36. It's basically just showing what the preset is. If you plug this into, to fill something up with air, it's gonna charge it. It's gonna pump it up to whatever that bottom number preset is. The top number right now is showing 00. That's because it's showing you what the current PSI is that this is connected to. The M button is for mode, and you can change the modes, and the icons are changing up here as I'm pushing it. And with each different mode, the preset PSI is changing as well. So right now it's 36 for a car. The next icon is a motorcycle, it's showing 40. The next icon is a bicycle, the PSI is 50. Push M again, there's a basketball, it's at 8. So you can cycle through those presets, and if you want to tweak it, so for example on my motorcycle, I'm gonna put, right now it's showing 40 as a preset. I like to put mine on 45, so I'm gonna push this plus button until it gets to 45, and so that's now what this is gonna pump up the tire to. To actually start it, you just push the power button in the middle one time. Remember, if you hold the power button, it goes off. Hold it long, it goes on. But just push it one time quickly, and that's when it activates off and on. I told you about the flashlight at the top. If you hold that U button, it activates the flashlight. It's a flashlight showing. Hold U again long, press it, and it will go off. One other cool feature is if you long press this M, it will activate some distress lights. You can kind of see at the bottom here, it's flashing from blue to red, and then long press the U again to go off. If you push this U button, it's going to cycle between PSI, bar, kPa, and kilograms per, look like cm squared. Not sure what that is, but it cycles through the different units of measure. All right, let's fill up a tire. Okay, so I'm at the motorcycle now. Let me turn this on. You can see it lighting up. I'm gonna set this to motorcycle.
it was already on it. So now it's on motorcycle. Right now it's showing 40. I have to put the Honda at 45. So I'm gonna push that up button until it gets to 45. There we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and plug this into the bike. I've let a little bit of air out just for the sake of demonstration. And so on here you can see the number at the top is 40.7. That's currently what my air is at. I want to get it to 45. So now we're ready. I'm just gonna push the power button. We have it. Cuts off by itself, got me up to 45, exactly where I needed. Everything fits right in this bag. The unit, the hose, the attachments. Throw this in the saddlebag. We're ready to go on a trip. All right, motorcaders. See you in the next video.